Hey guys, so this won't be a typical video. Day one of Fan Expo, where we bought 2 surprise boxes. It'll probably be the only surprise boxes we do for the weekend, but thought we'd do them now, being a little bit quiet because it's really late. It's like almost 10:30 at night. But I'm wearing a fedora because I went to see Pat Mastrioni today from Degrassi. He played Joey Jeremiah, so that was fun. So we're going to open up my box first. The box that I spent the whole day looking for, to tell you the truth, because earlier this year I became a huge Walking Dead fan. Like, my husband's been trying to get me into it for ages and just didn't really take. And then earlier this year it was on Netflix and I was just like, whatever. So I read the descriptions and it sounded interesting, so I said, oh, let's just watch the first episode, and then of course that's all you need. Here's the first episode. So this one was 20 bucks, and it's just a basic thing I can use for storage afterwards. It says mystery box, Walking Dead. So I don't know what's in it. We literally just opened it. Apparently we are starting with some tissue paper, and the first thing is keep calm and hide behind Daryl Dixon. That is awesome, because I'm actually a huge Daryl Dixon fan. So you know what, hold on a second guys, I have my small light on, but it's really not that good. So just turn on my flashlight here real quick. Let me turn off that light because it sucks. Where's that? There it is. Keep calm and hide behind Daryl Dixon. So that's cool. And then it comes with his little crossbow there. Not sure if you guys can see it too good. There you go. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, I'm not a big necklace person, but let's leave this here. I got all these Walking Dead cards and shit. Okay, there we go. And the next thing is, I have to open it up a little bit. The Walking Dead, the complete 6th season. I have a million bags, but it's pretty cool. So far, these were worth about $8 a piece. So, and then we have. Oh, I think this is supposed to be like a Rick Lego figure. There he is, his gun and stuff. And then we have at the very bottom, let's see, what is that? Illustrated Walker. Oh, a banner. Nice, and this is worth $24.95, and this is a 7-foot wall banner. So I'm not going to open it up right now, guys, but that looks pretty awesome. So this one cost about 20 bucks. Well, it did cost 20 bucks, and I was worried because the weight of it was hardly anything. It felt like it was basically empty, even though I knew dang well it wasn't empty. But my husband's going to go in that in a few minutes. And he's not going to open it right now because we have another box to do, and I'm still recording. This box, guys, was hopefully not broken. Yeah, I wonder who that was. So this box was $30. Yeah, $30 by itself, or you get 2 for $50. And the good thing with these people, Sanctum, is you were allowed to look in 3 boxes, and then basically pick the ones that you like the most. We, however, did not do that. He did let my husband see a sample box to get an idea of what was in there, which I did not look at. And then my husband picked a completely different box. It does have a bit of heft to it. So we're going to put it down here and Joe can pick the first item. There you go. So the first item is a t-shirt. It says, "Kill them all." I'm not really sure who that's supposed to be, but it is a white shirt, which is the most white shirt, if you ask me, because I get 32. The next thing is, oh, we have a million of these.
What is it?
I don't know if we have this one, but this is one of those Star Wars figures with one of those talking things. Yeah, this is Rick Ollie. That is. Alright, next we have a Mamachi Tomatown. Dreams should always be big. So some kitty thing, I guess. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a Tamagotchi or oh, it's Tomatown by Tamagotchi, so it's by Tamagotchi. Looks like it's some sort of video game or cover maybe for a video game. Connect and play with Tamago, which is apparently sold separately. So it's like some sort of cover or something. Next is Five Nights at Freddy's. 12 toys to collect. I will not be opening this, but this is just, and apparently these are all the toys that you can collect. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, finally something that's halfway decent. Ceramic coaster set, 4 assorted designs. So that's the box.
Sorry, it was so heavy.
And then we got 4 of them, which is obviously the one you just saw, which is the whip. You have Captain America Clang. You have Thor Bethune. And you have Iron Man. Shoosh. So that's actually pretty cool. And they are clearly made of glass. Oh, well, it says ceramic. So, oops. Should make a lot of noise. And you have Dragon Ball Z. Another thing we are not opening. But some sort of little Dragon Ball Z figure. And then we have WCF. Oh, another Dragon Ball thing. Golden Frieza. So, it's apparently all the different ones you can get. An X-Force comic. And more Pathfinder adventure cards. These seem to be like practically required in this prize box every year. So they must have a lot of them somewhere. Oh! Another cool thing, some postcards, some Doctor Who postcards. These are the Solarians, and then the inside of the TARDIS, and finally, what's his name? whose name escapes me right now. Rory Williams, that's it. And then the back of the postcards just look like that. And then we had another one of these Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle things that I got last year. Basically just comes with a micro comic, a micro poster, 2 sewer caps, and a sticker sheet. And, ooh, this is interesting, guys. I'm trying to open it, you guys. Okay, my husband's gonna open it while I show you the last things. This is Littlest Pet Shop.
Oh, very cute.
Oh yeah, I know. Alright, this is what was in the thing. It was a nice little Ratatouille keychain with his spoon.
Oh, these are the cards you can collect.
So I'm trying to do it so that the light's not directly on him, but it's not really working out too well. But yeah, so that's Ratatouille with the thing.
Oh, this is the where you can.
And then this is all the different ones you can collect. So now you can see it with a spoon. It's this one right here. And we have another Power Ring thing. I got one of these last year. And a shitload of pens. So we have this Green Lantern type thing. This blue triangle thing. A mad one. This insignia thing, which might be upside down, I'm not really sure. Wonder Woman. Flash. And that. So, no big surprise. This box pretty much lived up to my expectations, which were very, very low, because honestly, I've just been very disappointed with the surprise boxes the last couple of years. I hardly ever get anything that's any good in them. I might buy another one tomorrow. I might see if they have another Walking Dead one, because I love The Walking Dead. So I might buy another $20 box tomorrow. I don't really need the storage bin, but who knows? The storage bin could come in handy. Plus, I love The Walking Dead stuff. So that's the surprise boxes for this year. If I buy another one tomorrow, I probably won't bother making a video on it. I'll probably just open it up there so I can see what it is. But yeah, so that's the videos for this year. And obviously there's going to be more videos. I have some Loot Crate boxes coming in. I won't be doing any more bark boxes. They're still coming in. I'm just not doing them with the dog. And I have 2 Loot Crate boxes. One's been in my city for 2 weeks. I don't know how long it takes to get from one end of the city to the other, but apparently months. So I'm starting to think maybe Loot Crate was never the problem. Maybe it's my postal service or something. I don't know. Anyways, there is 2 Loot Crates. I'm still going to do a sweet box in September once all of this is over. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's all for boxes. Next year I will be doing more surprise boxes, assuming that my finances allow me to, which hopefully they will. Because there's some other boxes I want to do, Doctor Who, Superman. There was even this really big one. It was like $600, and it was like called a gold surprise box or something. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'll even do that one next year, because that's $600. My goodness. Better have something really good in it. But I will be doing finances permitting. I'll be doing more boxes next year. More themed boxes. I don't think I'm going to stick too much with the whole 2 for $30 thing. I mean, they're good for some people. Depends on what they want. Well, he opened up the banner, guys. So I guess I'll see what I can do about perhaps one of those seats. Really humongous. I might put that up on my bed. Not really sure. Jeez, this would be so much fun to have the cast on. It goes up like that. Okay, I know you guys can't see it. He's doing what he can, I promise. He is his bag.
Too big.
I'll just, it's that you're not falling nothing. Okay, so you're never going to see the whole thing, guys. But, you know what else, guys? Hold on. My stupid flashlight is off, so of course you're not going to see anything. But yeah, this is the thing. It's like really humongous. It could be like practically a bedsheet if it wasn't see-through. So I don't know how much of it you can actually see. But way down here at the bottom, it actually says The Walking Dead. And it shows, what does it show? Some zombies?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it shows zombies. And it's just, it is humongous. It is absolutely humongous. Oh my gosh, that was definitely worth it. I'm telling you, I'm definitely going to get another one tomorrow. So if anybody's going to Fan Expo Canada in Toronto, I would suggest it's in the, can't remember if it's the North Building or the South Building. Whichever building goes in off of Front Street. When you're walking along the front aisles, you'll have the aisles on one side and then like the escalators and the customer service and shit on the other side. If you're over where the autographs are, you're on the wrong side of the aisles. You need to be on this side of the aisles. And just walk down the aisles towards the escalators like if you're going to leave the building. And, or if you're going to, leave the building to go to the other building. And right there on the corner, she has a whole bunch of these small boxes. They're $20 a piece, and they're all themed. You got Doctor Who, and you got Deadpool, and you got Superman, and I think it's Spider-Man, and just a whole bunch. So I don't remember the name of her booth, but if you're going to go there, you should go with that. Or one of the bigger booths where they have the bigger boxes. They have the Doctor Who and stuff that's just over 100. I'm going to definitely try to get one of those next year. I got one last year. I'm going to try to go for the Doctor Who and a few others next year. But yeah, so this video is getting really long. So I'm going to sign off for now because I've got a few things I've got to do before I get ready for the Fan Expo tomorrow, where I'm going to go see Pat again. And pretend like we're both in the Zit Remedy. You know, everybody wants something they'll never give up. Da, 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 da. Anyways, old school Degrassians will know that. New school probably won't. But, yeah, so there'll be some more boxes in the next couple of weeks as soon as they start coming in. Okay, and then you'll get more Fan Expo boxes next year. Bye.